Adding ChatGPT to WhatsApp is as easy as adding a simple number. So what you need to do is just click on WhatsApp, then click on this icon to start the conversation, click on new contact, choose a country, United States, and then the number is +1 800 242 8478. Name the contact, whatever you wish, and click save. And that's about it. I already did that, so let's try out a couple of functionalities. So here is my ChatGPT. It will appear as a standard contact in your contact lists. Click. I asked it what it could do. Explain everything you can do. Okay, of course, standard text-based features, writing, editing, ideas, coding, math, learning, image-based features, generate images, edit images, change background, improve quality, turn it into cartoon, analyze images, and other cool stuff. Now I'm using free version of ChatGPT, so we'll see what it can do. The most interesting things for me are images, of course. So let's upload some image. So here is my cat, and let's put the cat at the, I don't know, meadow. So put the cat in nature from that image. Also, let's try to turn the cat into cartoon. And then we'll need to wait for a couple of minutes. So after 2 image requests, I hit the limit of a free plan. Nonetheless, here is the cat. So here we have the cat on the floor. And here, when I ask it to put it on the meadow, in the nature, looks pretty similar, kind of a more cartoonish. Let's see. Yeah, but still my beautiful cat. Nice, interesting. Let's try a couple of other things. Can you create a table on top 5 richest people? So here is the table. Does not look very good because this is on mobile, and on desktop it will probably look pretty good and normal as a table. Nonetheless, let's try a couple of other things. Can you remind me tomorrow to call John at 1 p.m? Let's see. So it can send reminders. This will be probably a future possibility, not for now. Okay, and one last thing. So give me summary of world news today. And here is the summary of major global news for Tuesday, July 29, 2025. Gaza conflict, UN conference, everything, Thailand, Cambodia, health and science, scientific discoveries, politics, diplomacy, sports and culture. Pretty good. Everything is here. So yeah, pretty easy way to use ChatGPT in WhatsApp. Why would you like to do that? Well, perhaps just not to switch between applications. Have in mind, this version is slower, is worse than ChatGPT on desktop or as an app. So, just use it as a backup plan if you don't like to switch applications. That's about it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.